Okay, so this might be the best and the simplest AI-powered web development platform or coder, right? So what did I do just today? I saw it from Julian SEO. Shout out Julian. Um, and I gotta say, I gave it a try and just was blown away. So I'm not a YouTuber. I don't have any other videos out there of me talking about stuff. But I literally couldn't believe um, what I saw or what I just basically tried um, when I tried giving an instruction, like a literal one paragraph instruction to DeepSite. So first and foremost, what is DeepSite? It's an AI-powered web development platform, transforming your ideas into functional websites, application, games through simple text prompts. So, we already have a few, and I've already tried a few apps like Base44, Lovable, even bolt.new. And even if they're text to prompt, they're not simple. And you need to do a lot of work to actually get them to where you want your app to go, right? Um, so given that, you know, um, I've always been trying to look for new tools, and this one just uh blew my mind, bro. Okay, so it's very simple. Describe revision. Gonna use DeepSeek, so it's powered by DeepSeeks R1 model, and then it's gonna preview, and then you can refine it. So let me show you um one of the projects that I created earlier. It's a very simple fortune cookie app. Then it's a literal one line of instruction. Um, the only thing is I really can't find where I put my instructions. It didn't also show me here. So if anyone can help me, let me know. Um, but yeah, it's production ready and it's usable. So basically, what I asked it to do was create an app that create a fortune cookie app that um, produces cheeky but motivational fortune. Just that's it. And then I think I added like no repeats, something like that. You'll find like some money in your other pants. Get another fortune, I click it, and it'll be again in 1 hour. Order Chinese now. So it's not gonna repeat as long as I use it, right? And it's crazy because you get privileges like this, and then it's also published. So like I can share this to other people as well. If I share this to my friends, to my wife, and they tried it, you know what I mean? And I can just do that. I think that's the one. That's yeah, that's the one. So even if I'm incognito, right? It's not logged in. It's a public site, and anybody can actually use it. So it's deployed. I just don't have the domain, but it's already deployed and it's already running, right? So that's the crazy part about that. So I just wanted to give you um, sort of a demo on how it works. It's very easy. Visit the official DeepSeek V2 and Hugging Face. So Hugging Face is just literally just type Hugging Face, man. And then whatever comes up first, click it. That's the one. Create your account. It's free. Um, I'm just using a free one. And you can just search here, DeepSeek V2. Oh, three keys. There you go. So you're gonna be looking for a sorry, let me search again. Visit the Hugging Face. What I did, I think, was I searched for Enzo. There you go. And oh, it's a space. Okay. Enzo STVS/DeepSite. That's where you want to go. Right? This link. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. on the description, so you can visit this one. So this is what you're faced with. This is the initial like screen, just like what's in here, right? And you just put in a prompt, whatever you want to put in. So um, let's say, let me do it. So I already created a fortune cookie app, so I'm gonna do a different one. Um, I'm gonna try this. I don't know if it knows this, but I'm gonna try this. Number if it is who wants to be a millionaire. Again, I might choose. There's a PC game, same title. Can you create an app with the same retro vibe and feel, but the trivia questions should be from this current generation? So I don't know if that's one line. That's literally a sentence of a prompt, right? And it's gonna do its thing. There you go. DeepSite is syncing, right? By the way, if you go to settings, I just click on R1. There's DeepSeek V3. I just choose the R1 for that one. I want to try it because I use the V3 for the fortune cookie app. You can't just sync and follow up, blah blah blah. Okay, yeah. And guys, I'm not pausing the video or anything. This is like a straight up just I'm not even gonna edit this one. I don't care if I make mistakes or pause. Just fast forward it. I don't care. This is literally just a raw demo on how it looks like and how quick or fast it actually codes the app that you ask it to create. A true millionaire. Modern trivia with the 90s game show vibe. Answer 15 questions correctly to win 1 million. Oh my god. 50-50 phone a friend as the audience. That's the one. The millionaire PC game. This is it, right? It's even still in Steam. So I guess it can't really copy the exact thingy. But there is a game like this one. It's a trivia game. So if you guys are as old as me, you know what I mean. That's how fast it codes it. And it's still ongoing. As you can see on the left side, it's still pumping out the code for the UI, the UX probably. And you can see it followed my instructions of, you know, like the retro feel and vibe. Although it's really like high res and all that, the feel is there, right? The font is there and all that. There you go. AI responded successfully. Let's click in preview so that we don't have the chat, and then we're gonna try to see. Let's start the game. Start game. Which social media platform introduced stories first? Stories. I think Snapchat. Let's see. Oh, what does NFT stand for? Non-fungible token. That's wow. Which streaming service can said the most subscribers worldwide in 2023? Streaming 2023. Is it Netflix or is it Apple TV? Let's do a 50 now. So ask the audience. Audience results A, 62%. Okay, let's go with A, Netflix. Wow, that's wild. Okay, so we cleared 100, 200, 300. It's now on the 500 question, meaning this is the take home. So if you win 100, 200, but you lose 300, then you lose, right? If you win 500, then that's the take home money that you have. So that's how it works. That's how the game works. What What's the name of the first COVID-19 vaccine approved for emergency use? Uh, I'm gonna say AstraZeneca. Damn. Game over. You won favorite. That's it, man. Play again quick. Oh my goodness. So that's what I'm saying, guys. That's what I'm saying. That's the crazy thing. It literally created an app in minutes.